Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rose. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment of what your favorite brand is and what you do to help you take out your protective styles. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I removed my protective style and what products I use to help me achieve this wash and go that you're seeing right now. I used all of one brand to go ahead and achieve this wash and go. This wash and go, I used all of Mielle Organics products in this video. So if you're interested in seeing how I got to this point, then go ahead and keep watching.
All right, y'all, so first things first, I did go ahead and remove my passion twists, majority of them, and I've left a few of them in the front so that I can show you guys how I go ahead and remove them. So with this one here, I make sure I go ahead and untwist the passion twist, and then I go through each braid, detangling it, because as you know, at the top of the braid there is usually build up there. So I make sure I go through with my fingers so that I can go ahead and remove that build up and go ahead and thoroughly detangle my hair so that I do not have any knots or tangles left in there. Once I've finished taking out that last passion twist, I am going ahead and with my fingers to go ahead and finger detangle my hair and make sure that I have gone through and take out all the knots and all that buildup from the top of my roots. Once I am done, I am going to go ahead and apply the Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner to my hair. I've had these passion twists in my hair for about 3 weeks, so my hair is very dry. I did not wash them in between, so I do need that moisture back into my hair to go ahead and give me that pick-me-up. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to all 4 sections of my hair. Make sure I'm working the product through with my fingers. As you all know that my hair is very dry right now. So this product is going to help me get that jump start and all that moisture back into my hair so that once I shampoo it, I am not stripping my hair of all the moisture that I have already put in there. So far, that conditioner had a lot of slip in it, so I was able to go through each strand of my hair and thoroughly coat it with the product. The product did smell really nice, so that was a plus on it. And it did moisturize my hair the next morning. Once I woke up, I did go ahead and shampoo that product right out of my hair. So it did also define the curls that I have in my hair, which I don't really consider my hair curly. I consider it more kinky. So getting that product on through it did go on fairly easily. So I didn't have any issues with it. So it is the next day. I did go ahead and rinse out that conditioner out of my hair. My hair did feel very, very soft actually with this product. Then I'm going to go ahead and with the Mielle Rosemary Mint shampoo to go ahead and shampoo my scalp. My scalp really needed some shampoo. So I did go ahead and shampoo all of my hair, and then I followed up with the Mielle Strengthen Mask. This mask was very, very, very thick. I did go ahead and apply it to all 4 sections of my hair because I wanted to make sure that each part of my hair was thoroughly coated in deep conditioner. As you guys know, this is the most important step in your hair routine, and it does bring back all the softness and moisture to your hair. That deep conditioner did leave my hair a little bit soft, not as soft as I'm used to. Now I'm going in with the Mielle Scalp and Hair Straightening Oil. This is supposed to be good for healthy, stronger, longer hair while providing shine and smoothing split ends. So I do have very dry scalp, so that product will in fact help me with my dry scalp with when I do wear my washing goes. So now I'm just going ahead and finishing detangling my hair. I've already applied the Mielle pomegranate leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going in with the Mielle avocado moisturizing hair milk. This is very, very moisturizing, okay? And you can detangle. Then I followed up with the styling gel, the honey and ginger. This thing smells like straight up ginger, okay? So I'm going ahead and working the product through all 4 sections of my hair, making sure that each strand is thoroughly detangled. I do go ahead and rake the product in, and then I smooth it in with my hand, followed by the praying hand method to go ahead and make sure that I am getting the maximum definition that I can with this product combo. One thing I do have to say is that the gel is not really one of my favorites. I am used to thicker, more moisturizing gels. After my hair did dry, that gel did leave it kind of dry in a way. So that gel is not really one of my favorite gels ever. I prefer their curl sculpting one. That one leaves my hair super moisturized and very soft. And I did find myself having to apply a lot of that gel in order for me to get the definition that I was looking for with the product. Now, my hair does look very, very white, but keep in mind that once it dries, it will not look like this, so do not be afraid. Majority of the time, my hair does look like that, but it does take time for it to penetrate through my hair. But once I go ahead and diffuse it, all of that whiteness does dissolve right into my hair.
All right, guys, so this is the finished product of the wash and go that I did using the Mielle Organics line. So far, I am very happy with it. My hair is moisturized. It is not dry. It's not crunchy, which is great. I love crunch, but sometimes if my hair is defined without the crunch and it feels soft, then hey, we love that too. So the products that I did use to achieve this wash and go I meant, is the Mielle Organics Pomegranate Honey Leave-In Conditioner, which is my all-time favorite conditioner. I did go ahead and re-up on this because it is amazing. The gel, on the other hand, this is the styling gel, the Mielle Organics Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. This crap smells like straight ginger. Not gonna lie, straight ginger. I would hope it would have been thicker, but it did leave definition in my hair, so that's a great sign. And then I used the avocado moisture milk. This is super moisturizing, y'all. This is amazing. Like, it just melted right into my hair. It left it soft. I can detangle with it, so that was a plus. So overall, I am very happy with this wash and go. I would highly recommend these products to you. If it was any of the products that I would really recommend, would be these two products right here for you, especially if you have type 4 hair. This will leave it super moisturizing and detangled, okay? So if you have any other requests from me or any other products that you would like to see me try, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section. Have a wonderful day. Bye.